Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is doing well so far. Also, I have taken some stock to analyze this week so that you all can take the position and make a little bit more profit as always. Alright, so without wasting time, let's get back to the charting. So before we proceed, I would like you all to subscribe, share and like so that you don't miss any of our videos in near future. Alright, so getting back to the MU stock, let's analyze a bit into this stock. And as you all can see in here, we have achieved a great profit with the $84 in this $85 range, and now it has reversed from the resistance zone. All right, it has reversed from the resistance zone, so I'm still expecting that it is going to go a little bit again from touching to the 76 to $77 zone again. And then if any kind of bullish signals if we get, all right, just like this, all right, so whenever we get some kind of signal, I'll also be providing you, and I'll be providing you the update on this stock. So whenever it comes with the bullish signal from this area, we can again go for a buy. All right, and then we are going for a good we are going to wait on this stock. All right, so this is going to be second, so I'm expecting the third one is going to be, third one is going to be a great bullish in near future, so that we can really expect that this is going to be a $96 move. All right, so this is the plan for the MU. All right, now this is a daily plan that I have shown you. Now if you come to the weekly is looking a bit sell right now. All right, but on the weekly chart, I mean in the next week, you are not going to get any kind of chance if you are waiting for the weekly. All right, so I'm still telling you that you will have to wait for on the 4-hour chart. All right, and then we can expect that when the market comes down to the 76-77 level, then we can start filling the orders and go for a buy. All right, now if MU comes down, we will be waiting a little bit more. All right, and I'll plan you all to exit when you are going to go for exit in the MU. All right, so for now, just wait for the 76-77 movement, and whenever it comes to this and then it makes a little bit pullback, then you all can go for a buy. All right, so this is the MU plan as of now. Now coming back to the AMD right now, AMD, as we had expected, it has already came back to the same level. Right now it is pulling up. All right, so it is making a pullback, so I'm expecting that it might come little down. All right, so it might, hold on, all right, so it might come down and then again goes up. So again, $98 is going to be our main area where we are waiting for the AMD to touch. All right, I mean that will be our target. So as of now, let's wait, and you can plan to again get into the buy, those who haven't taken the AMD. So I'm expecting that $89, that will be the best way to go for a buy. All right, now if you look at this on a weekly chart, so weekly is not really looking that bad. All right, it's just some kind of profit booking, and there are many things. All right, so I'm still expecting that it might come to this level. All right, and again make a good move on from this area. All right, so let's wait for $89 move for AMD, and then we can plan for a good buy. All right, so this is going to be the AMD plan. Now coming back to the Apple, so as you all know, Apple has given a great move, and now if you can see this past selling, all right, when the market started rejecting from this area, it came back to this zone. Now what was our the resistance level? This used to be the 144 to $145. All right, so I am expecting that a little bit pullback on this as well, so that we can still plan for a buy. But weekly is looking really a good move, so I don't know if we can really make I mean Apple is going to make a good pullback on this, but surely this is going to be a good hold. We are holding still. All right, so I'm expecting even if it comes down a little bit, it will be good buy. All right, so even if it comes down to this level, which is $140, all right, so you can go for a buy in the Apple stock. All right, so Apple is bullish from my side right now. Now coming to the SPY. So SPY, if you can see on the weekly, it has broken the main resistance area, I mean from here to here. So I am expecting that this is going to be a little bullish, and final target is going to be $440. Also in our past video I have told you all that just look at in the 5 minute to 15 minutes charting, so that you are going to get a final move from this SPY if you're trading. So if you could see, I have made a little bit kind of some kind of range bound, and there are many analysis that I have done in here. So last time I was looking at this area. All right, so from here when it started breaking out, then I started buying. All right, right after buying, it kept going up. So I actually exited this area, which is $432, but not bad, it is fine. So I start and I was thinking that it is going to make a little pullback. So it went up to $434, and then it started it's making pullback, and then again goes up. But overall my view is $440 as in target in SPY. All right, now coming back to the 4R, if you all could see, this is going for a good buy, right? Because here this is a major bearish candle. Now with the bearish candle, it has rejected in a huge way, but again it started going up. All right, the seller was huge here, huge seller. So it took some time to go, I mean to break this level, but right after breaking this level, I'm really bullish with the SPY. All right, so my final target is going to be $440. This is my final target for SPY, and then I'll be looking for a little pullback on this SPY. Okay, so this is the main idea for SPY right now. Now coming back to the Tesla. Now Tesla has been giving a great return, and I have told you all this is going to be a major resistance zone. All right, I have told you all this is going to be a major resistance zone, so we can really assume to have a pullback a little bit from that zone, and it started coming down from this area, and I'm still expecting that this is going to be a little bit down and then goes up. Right, so but breaking below this, I will be I'll not be going for a buy. I'll hold a bit. I'll think one more time before taking the Tesla. All right, as of now Tesla's main idea is this. All right, I'm not really getting more into the Tesla, because I'm still expecting that it is going for give a better direction. All right, coming to the CRM. Now CRM, if you could see, it has already it has achieved our first target. So I'm expecting that this is we have I have told that just exit when it reaches to $250, and it really did. All right, so I'm still expecting that this is this is going to be a major zone. So I'm not really going to analyze this stock right now as of, because I'm still expecting a real move from this CRM. All right, now coming back to the Uber. Now if you all could see Uber, I have been telling you that Uber I'm not expecting Uber to go for a buy, and still I wasn't really expecting, even though it went up. All right, but still if you all could see, it has kept rejecting from this area. All right, now I'm still waiting for it would have been a great sell from this area, but I was too busy to look into. But now I'm still expecting that market, if market started breaking down, then I'm still expecting that this is going to be a another move which will be $44. All right, so this is the Uber plan right now for me. Now coming back to the Twitter, it has moved to the $70, and it has been moving in a great buying pressure, but right now it is serving in here. So this is resistance. I'm still expecting to that it is going to move up to $72, but let's see the market, how is market, I mean overall market is going to be. So Twitter, I'm not really giving any calls right now. Okay, now last stock, which is Qualcomm. So with the Qualcomm, I'll be giving you one more thing. So with the Qualcomm, if you all could see, the market, Qualcomm has rejected the $140 move. All right, it has already achieved this our price target. All right, now here it has started rejecting. So what we can really expect from this Qualcomm? So I'm still expecting that this might goes break out, but this is kind of 50-50 chances. The probability is 50-50, so I'm not really going for buy right now. So I'm still expecting, as the market has rejected from this area, so I'm still expecting that it might make a little bit pullback again, and then we can go for a sell if it started coming down. Now coming to, if you all could see the weekly. All right, weekly is also looking like it's a selling from the resistance. I mean, it's kind of rejection, but I'm still expecting that we will have to wait for weekly closer on this Qualcomm. So I'll be waiting for a weekly closer on this Qualcomm. So yes, for me it is no buy, no sell right now. All right, and I think at last this is going to be Netflix, which everyone is holding right now, I know. So on the daily basis, if you all could see, so don't get panic too much, because it is not it's not kind of it's going for a sell, it's a good buy. Still we can really expect the market is going for a buy, and I'm still expecting that this is going to touch this almost $560. All right, so you can really plan to exit at $555 or something, and some may hold for a longer period of time. So but for that you need to wait for the quarterly result as well. All right, and it should be perfect, the earnings should be perfect for that. So Netflix, I'm still expecting. So for this on the Netflix, this is going to be my $560 move, which will be my target, and I'll be exiting all the quantities on the Netflix right now. So with the Netflix, I'm still expecting that this is going to be a $560 move, so that will be our exit point. So I'm still expecting that Netflix is bullish overall, and you don't need to worry or get panic into the Netflix stock. All right, so I hope this is it for me, and I hope this video is going to help you in your trading journey. All right, so thanks for coming back to our channel again. All right, thank you.